Fire in the control housing. Bypass pressure regulator. Initiate secondary coolant flow.
Move! Back! Get back! Whine! Seal the door, now! Mechanical groan. All right, we're locked in.
The door won't seal tight. Pressure's dropping fast. I need to vent it, now.
Fire contained within housing. Initiating pressure release sequence. Temperature dropping. Confirming seal.
Fire contained. Checking for source. Still scared? Too dangerous in there. Let's check the pressure then. Still late. Okay. Let's check the airlock feed.
The char line terminates at the intake side bulkhead. The external intake is confirmed as the source. Run Earth contact stability protocols.
Earth, come in. The signal is unstable. We're sending. Attempting to boost. It's breaking up. I can't receive the guidance clearly. Try a physical line bypass. Quickly. Still not holding. System suggests shared fault. Identify the path.
Hab 1, this is Aiden, requesting entry.
Shadow aligns, ground disturbance confirmed. Checking the fault path near the base. Moving to inspect the path toward Hab 1. The drag mark cuts through old tracks. A loose object moved between relay and intake.
Trace it toward the wall line. The trail vanishes here.
Yeah.
But the tether and Hab 1 shape point this way. I can still follow it. The intake is blocked, but it's not holding firm. Look at the lower slat integrity. There's too much air getting through. Check the seam on the far side. Hold. Down. Stay steady. Don't touch the panel. Okay? Good. Frame flexing. Latch shifted. Got it. Intake unsealed. The primary latch won't engage. Copy. Try the manual override.
Clamp is locked. Vibration stabilized. Confirming relay path. The insulation shows a small melted bead near the intake bend. This same overload touched the contact line to Earth. Isolate the damaged bead. Cable is secure. Spaced.
Check confirmed. Carrier returning to green.
Suit audio is clear. The tether is stressed. Transmission confirms stress from the habitat. Turn back. Shorten the route. The track's split here. Check the mast. Left path looks right. Adjust course.
The shadow aligns with the correct track. We choose the return path by physical geometry. Now, move toward the transport pickup.
The inner seal is shut. I'm safe, for now. But the dust keeps falling. I need to clear this. Initiating manual cycle.
Still late. Okay, just hold the cycle. Hold the cycle. Come on, equalize. Just a little longer. It's vibrating. Wait for it to settle. The seal. It's breached. Dust is everywhere. Okay, Lucky. Mark the source. Good job, boy. Open the technical bay. Slide it. Check the burn paths. Compare them against the diagnostics.
A second tiny black mark appears behind the main bundle. The mark points away from the intake feed.
The pulse has its own rhythm now. Check the independent relay. Airlock is still cycling. It's isolated. Tap, come on.
Carrier acquired. Link stable.
Not readable data, listen for the repair rhythm.
The rhythm's changing. It's stabilizing. Matching it against the valves now. Signal's holding.
Timing adjusted. Checking the seam now. The stress is highest here, right near the actuator. Let's see what's behind this.
No clean click. Mechanical alignment compromised.
The brace holds, but it's temporary. I'll mark it now, for the next shift. The shard edge fits the scratch pattern on the secondary wire. The outside cause is physically verified. Next, compare the unexplained second burn.
No matching scrape. A second cause remains open. Search the nearby conduit path.
Good boy, Lucky. You found it. Let's open this up. Found it. Copy that. Proceed with sample. Sample contained? Good. Initiating seal protocols. It's functional, but unreliable. This won't hold for long.
If this lock jams, I cannot pull myself back inside.